Hello guys. So in this video we'll be seeing how we can measure moisture or water content in the surrounding. Say for example you are checking if there is any rain, so you have to uh, use an indicator. If you have to create an indicator, or you have to check if there is any moisture in the surrounding, then how can we do it? So we have a raindrop moisture sensor here, which is nothing but a simple board which has an electrode. So if there is any water content on this electrode, then the reading is being sent to the Arduino. So we'll be writing a program to read the reading what we get that. Yes. So it has a simple connection as we have seen in soil moisture sensor, where we have three connection: VCC, ground, and signal. So I'll quickly go and tell you that we have the same connection there. VCC goes to 5 volt, ground goes to ground, and signal pin goes to the A naught. So I'll quickly go and do the connection here again. So the VCC goes to 5 volts, then ground goes to ground, and then this signal goes to pin A naught. Let me quickly go and change the wire color so that you guys don't get confused. Okay, so this is the simple three wire connection. So, and we do not require any breadboard as such. So same thing we'll go and do here. So I'll use the black pin, black jumper for ground, and I'll use the white jumper for power connection VCC, and I'll use this purple for data, that is signal pin. So once I've done this connection here, I connect it to Arduino. So black goes to ground, the white pin goes to 5 volt, and data goes to A naught of my Arduino. So this is the connection, three wire connection what we'll be doing. So now going to the software part, we have to write a simple code to read the analog value. So again we'll create a variable where we can store the pin. So I'll say int of water is equals to A naught. So we are reading the value from analog pin A naught, and we'll then quickly set the mode to input because we are getting the value here, and then we'll set up the serial so that we can check the output on the serial monitor. Now to read the analog value, as we know, we'll use int of val is equals to, we'll use the function analog read, and I'll specify the pin from where to read the value. And then to simply display it, I'll say serial dot print ln, and I'll print the val. So this is the very simple code that is to read the value to get the value. So now I can quickly go and power up my Arduino, and I can check the now. So you can see, check the board and port, so it's correct. Now I can go and upload the program. Now, so once the program is uploaded, I can quickly go and turn on the serial monitor. So you can see it's reading a value because there is no moisture content or water droplet. So now I'll quickly add some water on this. So you can see, as I have added some water droplets here, you can see that the value is changing. So once it detects some moisture content from this, so what happened, you see there is a decrease in value. Yes. So now I'll quickly go and clean this up from a dry cloth. So now I have cleaned this from a dry cloth, and now you can see the value again, it is increased. So there are few moisture content in this, that's why you are reading the value, and you can see again it has increased. So now again I'll go and I'll quickly put some water droplets, and you can see that there is change in value. So you can use this sensor to detect any moisture content in the surrounding, or to detect the rainfall.